Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Niro. The Kia Niro provides functionality and fuel economy you would expect from a hybrid crossover. The roomy cabin and elevated seating let you know you're in a crossover vehicle. However, the fantastic miles per gallon rating reminds you that you're still in a hybrid. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.